So hello learners, welcome to bloggertutor.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use CDN in your website. Okay, how to map CDN on your website. Particularly I'm going to teach you to add Cloudflare CDN, a free CDN, to your website to speed it up and also to secure it. Most of you know about CDNs, but those who don't know, let me briefly tell you about something about CDNs, profits and consequences of using it, right? So CDN is something called content delivery network. Now content and delivery and network, three things. What they do is they take a copy of your website and distribute throughout their servers across the world. CDN helps the servers across the world. They take a copy from your servers and distribute your website to their servers. Then when any user requests your site, or when any user want to visit your site, the user will go to your website through CDN. Means if I have a server, I have a website that have a server in Singapore, right? If I do not have a CDN, so what happens is when anyone from, let's say, Europe access my website, the website is served from my local server, that is from Singapore, right? But if I am using a CDN, what happens is a copy of my website is already stored in a server of CDN in Europe. So when he requested a page or anything from my website, the content will be delivered from the nearest possible location of the servers available from CDNs, right? So this is the first thing that any CDN do. The second thing is there is a exploitation method called DDoS. Okay, it's a type of attack where your website get a lot of traffic from a bot or from a computer machine, which make your website down because you have too many users to handle, but your server cannot handle that all user at the same time, right? So what CDN do is they look on the bots or the bot traffic from a computer coming, they block that IP so that no more request can come from that server, right? This is the second thing that CDN protect. The third thing is they actually boost up your speed by server side caching. So these two most important things that a CDN do, and they are very important since you have a website or blog and you want to run it smoothly. So in this video or in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to implement Cloudflare CDN on your website, to manage it, to secure it, to boost up its speed, right? So let's come to the computer screen and see how to set up it. Now there are two ways to do that. First thing, you create a website, then add Cloudflare to your website. The second thing is, firstly you add Cloudflare, then create website. There is no profits and loss of doing both things. You can add after creating website, or you can add before creating website. Now what we have to do to add the Cloudflare CDN, there are nothing to do, just you have to update your name servers. Okay, create an account and update name server, just two things. So I will teach you on my screen, but before that please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you can get these type of tutorial videos as soon as possible I upload it. Okay, yeah, so here I am on my GoDaddy account and here are the domain available. So I am gonna use this one, filmedekho.com, and show you how you can connect it with your Cloudflare. Okay, so I already told you there are two methods of doing this. The first is you create a site and then add Cloudflare, and the second is first of all you add to Cloudflare, then create site. So I am gonna firstly add this particular domain to Cloudflare, then I will create website, right? So to do so I have to update the DNS record. So firstly let's create the Cloudflare account. So yeah, here we are on the Cloudflare homepage, and now you need to click here sign up. When you click on sign up, you will see a form for creating an account on Cloudflare. So firstly we need to create a free account on this Cloudflare website so that we can use it as our CDN. The most important thing about Cloudflare CDN is they offer free CDN for your website. So you need to create an account. So fill up the email here. I am gonna use demo account. Firstly this, okay, so I am going to use in my account, fill up the email and choose a password. So I'm gonna choose anything. Okay, so you need to fulfill these 4 conditions to creating password. Password is required, password must be at least 8 characters, and these all things. Okay, then click on create a new account. Okay, when you will create account, it will ask you to verify your email, firstly you need to add website. So I'm gonna use this one, where is filmedekho.com. okay, so I'm just gonna copy it and paste it here, filmedekho.com. now add site. When you click on add site, it will show you some DNS record. No, actually it shows the plans which you want to pick up. So I'm gonna pick up this free one. So click on free and then confirm plan. Okay, scanning for existing DNS record, and the existing DNS record is the parked one, which is already parked because this domain is parked on GoDaddy. So this will show the GoDaddy records. Yeah, here these 3 records have been found as domain DNS record. Okay, now what I have to do is just continue, click on continue. Then they telling us to log in your GoDaddy account, then change these name server with this one. Okay, here are the name servers. So if you don't have your domain on GoDaddy, you can log in your domain account. It may be on Namecheap, HostGator, Hostinger, anywhere. Okay, you just go to log into your domain account, go and search for the DNS setting, where you can see the name servers setting. Okay, so I need to go for DNS, so I will click here 3 dots and manage DNS. DNS means domain name server. You need to change the name servers, right? When you change the name server, the traffic will go through your CDN to your server, not directly to server. Okay, so this is what the advantage of using name server based CDN. There are many CDNs which are IP based, but this is the name server based CDN, which is most efficient or which is most secure way to use a CDN, right? So let's copy this first name server. Firstly, you need to click on change. Okay, change DNS, which is domain name server. Change domain name server, and here enter my on name servers advanced. Okay, then there are 2 fields asking for domain name servers. Let me copy the first one. Yeah, this one here, copy and just paste on my first domain name server. Then copy the second one. Wait a second, copy second one and Control V. Okay, so I have added name server. Now just click on save. Okay, when you save it, it will take time up to 72 hours. Actually, name server propagation take time. So here they are sending some notice, but I don't have to care about it because I am using a proper CDN and a proper name server, so I don't have to care about it, right? Now I already added the name server, but it will take time. I am telling you that GoDaddy do not take too much time, but many of the domain provider takes time to update name servers. So you don't have to worry if your CDN is not telling that your name server has been updated. Now done. Now check name servers. And here are few settings. Let just skip this setup later. I will show you how to set up these in the next video. Firstly, we need to just create an account and manage DNS, right? Recheck now. So I'm just clicking recheck. Wait for wait for name server update, and when they update your name server, it will show congratulations. You will actually receive an email also. Firstly, you need to verify. You need to verify. This is a email verification. So you need to verify this email to your Cloudflare account. I'm gonna open a new tab. Okay. So it's now verified. Continue to dashboard. You will get a message that your your website is now protected by Cloudflare. I have not received that email because our name server has not been updated yet, right? It will take time. Just wait. Yeah, so here this is the thing I was talking about. Great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. Okay, so now Cloudflare have managed our DNS record. Now we can go to DNS and map our IP to anywhere we want, to any cPanel hosting or any server we want. We can just change the IP. We never have to change the name server again. Okay, this is the this is the profit of using Cloudflare CDN. You can you don't have to worry about name servers further in future. You just change IP and your hosting will be pointed to your domain will point to different hosting. Okay, so this video ends here because I will elaborate all the options available here in the next video. I will put the link in the description. I will explain all the options available here and how to set up all these options in the next video. So please subscribe to the channel so that you can get the notification of that coming video. If video have uploaded already, then you can find it on the description, right? Check the description and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.